In the process of childhood language development, intonational contours resembling those found in questions typically emerge toward the conclusion of which period? Is it first week? Letter B, first month? Letter C, first year? Or letter D, second year? And of course, you got it right. It's during the conclusion or the end of the first year. So let me explain them to you. So intonation contours are meaningful pitch patterns distributed over utterances. So may mga intonation contours na very unique. Like for example, yung pitch pattern ng question. Okay. And of course, yung pitch pattern kapag nagko-confirm tayo ng isang answer. So for example, changing the intonation contour of an utterance can change a statement into a question. Like for example, kapag sinabi kong yes, pero parang hindi ako sure kasi yung intonation contour ko pang question. Pero kapag sinabi kong yes, meaning I am sure of what I am answering. So intonation contours can also provide pragmatic information. So nagbibigay siya ng konteksto in order for you to properly respond to the utterance. Yan po yung intonation contour. And of course, as early as 1 year, meron na pong mga intonation contours na makikita or maririnig natin or ma-observe natin sa ating children when they are in the process of language development.